Follow your heart and trust your instincts. You have them for a reason.
Thank fuck for that.
Staring at my cards like they owe me something, working on a ragged hand. I can see the reaper sitting at the table and know that he's got a plan. Must have wanted my heart to break, turning a mirage into a lake. I'm coming over the mountain and I'm pumping the brakes, working on the four-card straight. Everybody's always asking why I do what I do. I don't gamble 'cause I want to win, boys. I gamble 'cause I need to lose. Got some miles on the engine, no way to roll back the clock. I wouldn't do it even if I could. I gotta play till the music stops. Learn too late, sing the blues. Let the dirt get onto your shoes. You wanna find a queen, you got some pawns to lose. Darling, I tell you the truth. Everybody's always asking why I do what I do. I don't gamble 'cause I want to win, boys. I gamble 'cause I need to lose. 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 I gamble 'cause I need to lose. Somebody call the doctor. Something wrong with me. I know there's something missing. What it is, I just can't see. It's down in my chest, dark aches and pains. I know I got a screw loose inside of my brain. And everybody's always asking why I do what I do. I don't gamble 'cause I want to win, boys. I gamble 'cause I need to lose. Everybody's always asking why I do what I do. I don't gamble 'cause I want to win, boys. I gamble 'cause I need to lose. I need to lose. I need to lose. I need to lose. I gamble 'cause I need to lose.
I just nuts myself so hard. Oh man. Oh, my leftical is so... I want to